Now I have a picture of a beautiful lady here. I'm going to make it to look more creative. Maybe sometimes you want some effects that looks more creative. So I'm going to show you how to go about it. Now it's very simple. I'll just come here under effects, and the many effects that you can choose from here. The ones that I like is more of creative. So I'll choose creative here. Then I'll come to this one here. Now maybe you want the picture to look more as if it's pencil drawn or artistic. So after selecting this one here, I'll select this one here. Then you can increase the intensity. Maybe you want it to be, I'll put it halfway like that. Then I just say apply. Then after that, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to come here and retouching. Then I'm now going to play around with the colors. I'm going to come to foundation here. It gives me a variety of colors. Now this variety of colors, I'm going to choose the darkest. Then it will give me a brush. I think I'll just put the intensity in the middle, brush softness maybe somewhere there, brush it. Then I just start to paint to add more color. As you can see there, to add more color, just like that. Yeah. Then after that, I'll just apply. You can even increase the intensity. You can put another color. Maybe now this time you can put colors that are here. Maybe something like that. Then again, you can just do that. Remember, your aim is to make it something like a paint drawing, artistic. So just go about that. Just paint like this. You make sure be very keen on the body parts so that you don't spill over. So you just sometimes have to reduce the brush size under the ears here. Just like that. Like that. You can increase the intensity. You see how it looks. Then if I zoom a little bit like that, so that I see the other parts that are not captured, there, like there. Then I'll do this. I'll apply. The next thing I'm going to come to teeth whitening here, so that I make the teeth white. So this is what I will do. I'll increase the intensity so that the teeth looks a little bit whitish, as you can see there. Also the eyes, let me zoom. Also the eyes, make them a little bit white. I'll just use the concept of the teeth. You can see there. So I'll zoom out. Yeah, this one is good, especially if you want your picture to look more of a painting, or to look that way. So if I compare this original picture, this is the edited picture that looks more artistic. If you're very keen, you can come up with a very good picture there. So see you in the next video.